okay. It's Loki and Trap Kelly.
Wow, it's Sinatra.
Rapper is someone who do rap. Plastic rapper on my backpack is rolled with plastic rap. Malgrand that is used in the beer and the whiskey. We know that man, but we call him Pinky. His hair is thick when I touch it is stinky. The station is crowded, we know that. My phone fall in my face by misclick. I try to flip, I slip and break. If you love me, I kick it. If you love my style, I break your teeth. I saw yours, isn't such a big deal. Oh, it's not going to fit. I will be rich and I call my amount. My amount will reach till 10 feet. This will hit my life. My home is from BTR, it's growing slowly. My rhyme is sound like flowing. Who they think I'm going like it's dressed? This shit came back, no cap. All they who agree with me, season is returning to summer. Smoking weed isn't wrong, it will take time to understand. Someone saw him naked and the news spread like fire in the Facebook and WhatsApp. Oh, he is addicted to weed. He smoked till the morning. One day he had some, but his mother gets him, and he's chasing the street. His mother fit with the stick. It is very hard, it is thick. When I smoke, I feel like a sick.
Yeah, hey, when I smoke, I feel like a sick. Let's go. Rapping niggas isn't for me. Rappers are learning how to go hard. Sine record halang na naging support ko dabi agak so devan non-stop. Problems and kaya salang na nagarala me aja sebang zablok. Be real talk back sa the business. Ang halang by legau di na Trap Kelly. Zeng to underground rappers but see now zeng fei lang gan gasi dami slowly. We do real talk. We just grinding and it's not hop. You know well what I want to feel, want to deal, want to mean. Gesar hene som zabay dana bodo sin. Hey the rest in peace. Serbazan laman la gele by you meaningless this. Arabic kolana rap hene. Okay, public abung lang de ma by di corner zeng zere mazang mene hen. Serba hene rap, ada serba hene hip hop. Difference a tennis ball, rubber ne ping pong. Hip hop a movement zerau zeng dong lari. Without homies my life is so blurry. And I do not worry cause I do this rap. Rhythm and poetry we never had. My life is so precious, ain't gonna fit. I'm ready to face beats. Yeah. Peace out. Fucks at the business, man.